Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down how much you can potentially make with Amazon Associates in 2026. If you're curious about affiliate earnings and how the program works, let's jump right in. Once your Amazon Associates account is set up, you can use the Earnings Overview dashboard to monitor your affiliate activity. This section can show information such as clicks, ordered items, shipped items, and commissions, helping you understand how your links are performing. So, how much can you actually make? There isn't one fixed amount. Your earnings depend on factors like the products you promote, the commission rates for those products, how much traffic you receive, and how many people make qualifying purchases through your links. Some beginners may only earn a small amount at first, while creators with larger audiences and consistent traffic may earn more. However, income can vary significantly, so it's best not to rely on specific monthly earning figures as a guarantee. To start promoting products, go to the regular Amazon shopping website while signed into your Associates account. When available, the SiteStripe toolbar can appear at the top of eligible Amazon pages. From there, you can use the link tools to create an affiliate link for a product and share it with your audience. As you get more traffic and clicks, keep checking your Associates dashboard to see which products and content perform best. Focus on creating useful content rather than simply sharing as many links as possible. And that's the basic idea behind earning with Amazon Associates in 2026. Your results will depend on your traffic, audience, content, and qualifying purchases, so there's no guaranteed income. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon and affiliate tutorials. Thanks for watching.